Hello everyone, I am Nalini from the Venkateshwar School. Today I am telling you how to select cells in MS Excel. So let's get started.
Microsoft Excel is an application software used to perform mathematical calculations. See, after entering the data in a worksheet, we may need to make some changes, and these changes are called editing. In editing, we can select the cell, we can edit the cell, we can delete the cell, cut, copy and paste. These are called editing in Excel. So first I'll take the topic, that is selecting a cell. How to select a cell in a Excel. So there are the three ways. Number one is all select. How to all select means if you want to select entire the worksheet, that how to select it. First you have to go that is a control shortcut key, that is control plus A. By the help of keyboard you have to press control key then A key. You have to type or press the control then A together. So you have to right now I am doing C control plus A, this all select. Your table is selected here, that is called all selection. Or shortcut key of all selection of your table, your Excel table. Now the next thing is there is one button at the left side corner, that is called all select button. See, at the right of the corner, this thing. When you click here in between 1 and A, when you click here, this is all select, the entire selection of your Excel worksheet. So this is the thing is all select, how to all select the worksheet. Now the next thing is adjacent row and columns. How to select adjacent row and columns, that is what is adjacent row and columns. In this you have to press the shift key by the help of keyboard. Press the shift key and select your row and columns like this, like I am doing here. I am pressing my shift key and select the row like this, or like this also. If you want to only select the column, then press the column and shift key then select like this. You can easily select your column here and press the, if you want to select the row, then press the row and select like this. So this is adjacent selection of row and columns. Now the third one is non-adjustment selection of rows and columns. That is what is in this. This is if you want to select only student name, that column, and select the computer one only, not all. If you want to selection of this type of selection in Excel, so what you do, you have to press the control key, not the shift key. Shift for adjacent rows and columns. Now click here, press the control key. First select the if I want only student name and computer, like this. See, I am clicking here student name. Press the select control key from the keyboard and select it. Now I want the computer one also and select it like this. See, in this one I am selection is done in the student one and the computer one also, means both are selected. Okay, so these are the things, these are the selection, how to select the cells or rows and columns in Excel. So thank you so much.